Okay, guys, what's happening? So we're this chick, and we're walking through our apartment. God, I hope it's our apartment, or we're just chilling in tank top and some underwear in someone's house. Yeah, that could be a thing that's happening right now. But hopefully that's not the case. So I'm just gonna go this way. Oh, please let there be some pants. There's pants! Okay, screw this shit. Getting dressed. No, that's not an option. I have clothes! Oh, God damn it. Oh, yeah. I got really excited. I have clothes. You know what? I'm going to bed. Screw this shit and go to bed. Fell asleep on the couch. Screw this shit and going to bed. On top of the covers. I'm going to sleep on top of the covers. What the actual hell am I doing to myself right now? Alright. Did I lock the door? Was I a stupid girl? Didn't lock the door? Nope. I promise you in this walkthrough you will never see me pee. I don't care if there is an option, I will not do it. Alright, Chickie, what we doing? What we doing? Aspirin? Oh, take it dry. Take it like a champ. But, okay. What am I doing? What am I doing with my life? Oh, nope. Nope. I can bet you money where that would end. Oh, so I have a bathroom that has a... Okay, I understand, bitch, you're tired. Jesus, there's someone here. Bitch! You need to go to bed. Oh, shit. Yeah. Am I seeing things? Okay, I'm seeing shit. I didn't leave that open. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I watch the other one back, I didn't leave that open. Are you shitting me, woman? Oh, God, what the fuck?
There's someone here. There's someone in the apartment.
Well, no shit.
The phone on the desk. I could call for help. The front door. It's the only way out. If I can reach it, I still have a chance.
Oh no, bitch. You haul ass. You get out.